Welcome everyone to Balance by Meghan. I'm Meghan. Today I'm taking you through a guided meditation for determination and discipline. So make sure you are super comfortable with this one. Make sure that you're sitting up nice and tall. Perhaps you can have a blanket or a pillow underneath you. Just sit up nice and tall, close down the eyes, and take a few breaths here. Feel the breath moving in and out of your body. Breathing deep down into the belly and allowing it to expand. And on the exhale, all the air leaves your body. Deep breath in. Long exhale out. And take a few more here. Imagine standing on a rocky beach in front of a pond, gazing down to your reflection. You see your face reflecting back to you and notice the fresh smell of water and trees all around you. You feel as though you can taste the coolness of the air. And as you gaze down, you begin to recognize a pounding, powerful sound and gaze up to see a huge waterfall. The water cascading down into your pond. As you take in this sight of your waterfall, you notice beside it a huge built-in staircase going up and up and up. You begin to make your way over to this staircase beside the waterfall and look up to the top. It looks steep, but excitement and adrenaline start to course through your body. You decide you are going to climb to the top. So you begin to make your way up the staircase, climbing up, feeling the power of the water as it crashes down beside you. On and on you climb, on and on you go. Halfway up this waterfall, you stop and look down below you. You've come a long way, but now you're doubting if you'll ever make it to the top. What seemed like a fun and exciting adventure now seems like a lot of work. The excitement has worn off, and now all you can focus on is the shallowness of your breath, your aching legs, and how much further you have to go. But you decide, since you have already started, to take one step in front of the other and to keep going. You place one foot on the step, then the other, and you continue your climb. Each step screams with doubt, but on and on you go. And just when you feel you simply cannot keep going, you simply cannot put one foot in front of the other, your fingertips brush over the ledge and you pull yourself up and over the top. As you stand there, the most perfect, picturesque, and beautiful scene is before you. Lush greens of trees and bushes, the cool, calm blues of the water and sky, the lightness of everything as the sun and its warm rays beat down on you. The excitement of this scene jumps back to your body, but more than that excitement of your accomplishment starts to kick in. You stayed determined and disciplined on your journey. You never gave up when things got hard and tough. You stayed committed and you made it happen. Stay here as long as time allows. And when that feels completed to you, go ahead and bat open the eyelashes. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button to be notified when I post free content on Wednesdays. I will see you guys next week. Namaste.